All right. We got some 10mm Xtreme Penetrators, Platinum Edition. Bling. Or no, 140 grain out of Glock 20, Gen 5. Let's see, will it succeed or fail through a bullet safe level 3A vest. Xtreme Penetrator, Platinum Edition. Oh no, that was it hit kind of low. It appears to have made it through, but that was kind of low, so we're gonna run that back. It did go through, but that was low. But I want to run that back to make sure it wasn't no fluke. All right. We're gonna run that back. Underwood Xtreme Penetrator Platinum Edition. It went through, but it was kind of low. So I'm gonna send this one down to see if that first shot was a fluke or not. We shall see if it's... All right. That is where the first Xtreme Penetrator hit. That is where the second one hit. That tore it up pretty nice. But it was definitely a pass through. Definitely pass through. Yeah, that's a pass. It's still kind of low, but I'm gonna vote it as a pass through. Xtreme Penetrator Platinum Edition versus Bullet Safe 3A vest. Thinking that went through. I'm pretty convinced now. There's 3 shots I wasted, but it ain't really a waste. Yeah, slid right through. Slid right through. No questions asked. No questions asked. All right. So there we have it. Thanks for watching. Peace and love. Like, comment, subscribe. In your own defense.